Are you bored and looking for something to eat? Well, here's how to make chocolate chip cookies. First, set out all your ingredients. You will need flour, baking soda, salt, butter, sugar, dark brown sugar, water, vanilla, eggs, and chocolate chips. Then preheat the oven to 350 degrees. In a large bowl, stir together 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 teaspoon salt. In another bowl, cream together 1 cup of butter, 3/4 cup sugar, and 2 eggs. Then add in 1 teaspoon water, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 3/4 cup firmly packed dark brown sugar. Once it's mixed, slowly add in the flour mixture until it's fully combined. Then fold in the chocolate chips and be careful not to overmix the dough. Next, take a greased baking pan and start portioning out the dough, but make sure to leave room so they don't spread into each other. Next, put it in the oven for 12 minutes or until the edges and center are brown. Once the 12 minutes is up, you can take them out of the oven and let them cool on the pan before moving them to a wire cooling rack. Then share the cookies and enjoy with your friends.